Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Notion databases for project tracking, complete guide step by step clearly. Start by opening your Notion app or navigating to the Notion website. Log into your account if prompted. Locate the workspace where your project is housed. Click on the page that contains your database. Ensure you are in the database view by selecting the appropriate view option. Familiarize yourself with the data structure of your database. Identify the key attributes relevant to your project tracking. Now, focus on ensuring your database is organized correctly. Check that all columns are properly labeled to reflect their purpose. Review the data types in each column to ensure consistency. For date columns, click on the column header and verify the format. Make adjustments if any dates appear incorrectly. Next, examine the filtering options you've set up. Click on the filter button to see which conditions are currently applied. Adjust filters as needed to ensure you are tracking relevant data. Now, look at your sorting options. Ensure your entries are sorted in a way that makes it easy to track progress. Select the column by which you want to sort your entries. Consider sorting by due date or project priority for better clarity. Next, check your database for completeness. Scan through the entries to verify that all necessary information is present. Add any missing entries or details as needed. Now, utilize the grouping feature if it suits your project needs. Choose a property by which to group your entries for better organization. This can help streamline your project tracking processes. If your database supports relations, verify these connections. Check links to other databases to ensure they are correctly set up. This will help with cross-referencing and overall project visibility. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.